Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And this video, if you're facing this particular trouble, that's called Gibbs Snapchat in your camera app is to continue, you need to set up the camera permission on your Snapchat and how we can do this. So pretty shortly get into them. So the first one is all about you have to go over here in the settings. Now from here you have to scroll down and navigate to the apps. Now go over here on the top, search for Snapchat. Now tap on the Snapchat. And now these are the available access that you have given. As you can see right now, the camera is turned off. So I have to go over here, tap turn on this particular camera access. So right now, most probably that's going to fix you guys up. So if that is not working, we just need to go back. You have to close everything over here, go back to your general. Now go over here at the top. Now from here, tap on the iPhone storage. Then wait for a bit of time. Then scroll down and navigate to the Snapchat. Now from here, there is an option called offload app. So for iPhone, you have to go for offload app. After offloading, you have to reinstall the app. But this is for the iPhone. For the Android users, you have to clear the cache of your app. And before the offload app, then reinstall the app, then you have to check. If that is not working, after trying this, if that is not working, you can just go back, go to the general once again. Now from here, scroll down. Just restart your iPhone. You can go for the shutdown and you can restart. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix a lot of issues. So you can try with the restart. This is what you have to do. And I hope this quick video is helpful. I hope this video is helpful. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.